gotta tell you, I'm getting a little queasy just looking at that.
I was going to ask you, what do you think about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a roller coaster fan myself, but it looks like a blast. I mean, virtual reality is everything nowadays. Okay, Seaside, this is our camera view. It looks wet, right? Yeah, we've had rain showers there along the Oregon coast. We'll continue to have more rain as we head into this evening. Overcast conditions will stick around. It's 50 degrees, southwest breeze at 12 miles per hour. We'll keep that wind now the southwest heading into tomorrow as well. So again, if you just want to get out of the house for a little bit, go for a walk, and you live along the Oregon coast, you're going to be dealing with the wind and a little bit of rain. All right, Kalama at 51 degrees is our Port of Kalama camera right now, and it's overcast there, but not a lot of rain going on for you folks. There will be some more passing showers, though. Notice on the radar, kind of a big gap here through the Willamette Valley. Plenty of moisture for the gorge, areas of the Cascades, more developing there through the Coast Range, and we will just see those passing showers heading into the evening hours. The southwest Washington's pretty wet there. Notice that we have some heavier rain pushing up towards the north, and then very scattered activity as we're picking up this coming from the radar to the northwest. Astoria down through Cannon Beach, a little wet there. It's kind of in that spot between the radars where it's hard to really pick up a lot. And then we have radar off to the east, Pendleton, seeing some rain showers for you folks there on the other side of the state, on the east of the Cascades. So if you're going to be, again, out and about here shortly, expect a little bit of rain for you folks too. Notice that we have that southwest to east flow with most of this moisture. It's going to continue to move on in. This is a front that's going to be arriving tomorrow. That's going to be tomorrow's system as this front does roll on in through the day. And then behind that, we have another one that's forming here in the Gulf of Alaska, which will be pushing down on Monday. So we have back-to-back kind of chain of systems here, a couple links of fronts that are going to be pushing through over the next few days, leading to more rain. So you'll notice it right here. Watch what happens. It starts to approach us as we go into our Sunday. We'll start off the morning probably pretty wet. We'll have some snowfall there for the mountains as well. So if you have to do some driving through the passes, you're going to be dealing with a little bit of snowfall there. And then on Sunday evening here, it looks like we kind of dry up a bit for central Oregon, but the wind is going to be cranking. Overnight, though, here comes a front, and that's going to push in some heavy rain overnight Sunday into Monday, and then we'll keep the rain in the forecast on Monday, too. Plenty of snowfall for the mountains. There'll be some dry time, too. We'll have to see how low those snow levels go for you folks there in central Oregon. Notice that we kind of keep some rain in the forecast to about midweek. I think the best time for us, at least as far as dry time goes, is going to be on Thursday. Rain totals as we go through our Sunday, it's not too impressive, maybe about 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch there for our Sunday, but it does kind of soar a bit Sunday through Monday there, possibly seeing up to about 1/2 inch for us here right around Portland. All right, 7-day forecast. I have some light rain on Tuesday, Wednesday at 53. Overnight temperatures are pretty mild. The back edge of the forecast, some uncertainty there. Temperatures might be a little bit warmer. We'll have to see what that ends up trending towards. 58 degrees weighing on Thursday with some sunshine and partly cloudy.
All right, Joseph. Well, we definitely need the rain. So